I've ever made to be a data analyst. And years on years, um, I have had wealth of experience from doing freelances, full-time jobs, remote freelances, also remote gigs, full-time gigs, and all. So yeah, it's been a fulfilling journey, and I started just like this also. I started like you, and I just decided. And when I started, pretty much, I won't lie, I was also kind of confused. And as a matter of fact, tech has not been generally accepted by then. Because if you agree with you, agree with me that in 2019, the awareness we have now, the insane amount of use of artificial intelligence and AI, they have not become so rampant that time. So those were the early days. And that was when I got the skills that is now, I think I've made pretty much my good share of it. And I'm enjoying the journey so far. I'm enjoying the journey so far. And I want to welcome you to the skills learning system. So this is, I'm going to be your facilitator for the data analytics and um, the database management. And also, this course is going to run for 3 months. But before I even start going into the details, let me, I think others have joined. Good morning, Victoria. Hello, Victoria, good morning. Can you hear me? Is it Victoria or Victor?
Hello, good morning.
Okay, Victoria, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Can you tell us briefly about yourself and what do you do? Your course of study and where do you serve and all? Just a brief introduction.
Okay, my name is Opo Victoria Victor from Akwa Ibom State. From Akwa Ibom State, and I'm a graduate of History and Diplomatic Studies from the University of Port Harcourt. I'm currently serving in Abuja.
Okay, that's very well. And what do you have any knowledge, any prior knowledge about data analytics before?
I have a zero knowledge about data analytics.
Very well. That's actually that's refreshing to hear. So yeah, you are welcome. My name is Oluwaseun, and I'm going to be your facilitator for the next 3 months because the course is going to be running for 3 months. We have three tools
Okay.
or three softwares that we are going to
Okay.
be looking at. We are going to be doing Microsoft Excel, advanced Microsoft Excel for data analytics, because Excel is the bedrock of every tool right now in the world, even AIs. Every one of them are built on the basis of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is the let me say, is an integral part of every software, or let me say every programming software or every workflow software you see out there. Microsoft Excel is an integral part. So that is why most companies right now, as a matter of fact, if you are going to get a remote freelance, you will not even tell you that, yeah, this is what you're going to be doing. They'll just ask you questions during the interview. You, as a professional, will be the one to determine the kind of tool you want to use to solve whatever problem or challenges they are having, right? And that is what gets you noticed. That is what I'm sure you guys will have been used to, LinkedIn or some of these professional platforms where you will see different dashboards, you see different visualizations, different analysis, reports too. Like all those creative, interactive dashboards, they are all produced by data analysts. And that is a journey that you are also about to embark on for the next 3 months. So, like I said, the course is going to be 3 months. We are going to be dealing with three tools, and we are going to be starting with Microsoft Excel. We're going to be starting with Microsoft Excel, and we are going to be starting from the advanced. We are going to be starting from the very basic of Excel. We have built this course and our curriculum in such a way that we don't even assume that you have a prior knowledge about data analytics at all. We don't assume that you've known anything. And if you have known something about data analytics or Microsoft Excel or SQL or Power BI, you can hold it to yourself and still go through everything basic. So we are starting from the very, very basic, very, very scratch. And then from the basics, we move to the advanced part of it. So for this first month, that is August, starting from next week, Monday, we are going to be starting from Microsoft Excel. And the system that we adopt is that we understand that everybody is an adult. Yeah. So we have our everyday life. So to want to acquire a tech skill is more like another, additional task and responsibility to our everyday life. Because let's face it, everybody has to survive, and if you don't work, you will not eat, right? So I believe that data analytics is something that I have seen, not even believe, I have seen data analytics liberate people. Like a whole lot of people have transitioned away from their previous professions, their course of study, they have transitioned totally and fully into tech. And they are enjoying it right now. I have a lot of students that can bear witness to that. And one of such example is the second cohort we had this year. They are ending their batches, their cohort is ending by next week, and they are going to be having their graduation on the 28th of August. We are lucky enough to have about 2 or 3 out of them that are currently that got job interviews, freelance, I mean, remote job interviews with foreign UK company, right, as a data analyst. And they made it through the interview stage. I think they are currently in the finalizing stage of getting the remote, and I think the job goes for something around 800 to 1,000 pounds monthly. And they're going to be working fully remotely. All you need is just your PC, and you've become a part of the organization. And I cannot emphasize it any less that remote jobs are just, they are really cool, because I've been there and I know how it works. So this is what you will be looking forward to at the end of your training, at the end of the course. So for the second month, we are going to the programming part of the course, which is SQL, the structured query language, the coding parts of this course, where we are going to be learning on how to use SQL for data analytics, how to use SQL to manage databases, and how to handle databases with SQL. And for the last month, which is the third month, we are going to be dealing with Microsoft Power BI for data visualization, where you are going to be learning about how to build all those beautiful dashboards that you see online, those beautiful interactive dashboards that you see. You're going to be learning them with the use of Power BI. So this course has been built in such a way that one tool or one software is going to lead you to another. Everything has to happen in chronological order. You can't jump one, because if you jump one, you are going to have to come back to it. Something is going to want to make you come back to it, because if you don't do it step by step, you jump a step, you are going to miss out on something you're supposed to have learned. And when you come across it later in the future, you have no choice than to go back. So that is why we have built it in that order. Microsoft Excel, SQL, structured query language, and Microsoft Power BI for data visualization. So, and also another method that we have also adopted, that we adopt in TerraSkills, is that we for every week, at the beginning of every week, we are going to be unlocking different topics, like ranges of topic. For instance, for your first week, you are going to be covering like 10 topics on the platform, where you are going to learn everything about those topics for that week. And at the end of the week, we are going to have a recap class on a Saturday like this. We are going to come together on this live class like this, and we are going to have a recap class to review everything you have learned for that week on the platform, so that it is not going to be overwhelming. Yes, it is a self-paced course, but at the same time, we are trying to help our students to make sure that they are accountable, they are consistent, they are consistent with their learning. We understand that it can be very challenging, working at the same time, trying to learn. So that is why we have put that method in place. For 1 week, you can have like 5 topics or videos to watch, follow and replicate everything that you watch in the video, learn about it, study it and understand it. Then by the end of that week, we'll come together on a Saturday like this and then do a review of everything you have done. And also, we at the end of every tool, for instance, when you are done with your month one, which is for Microsoft Excel, we have a capstone project. We have a real life data, real life project that you are going to take on, you are going to do by yourself, so that by the end of the day, when you are done with it, we are going to assess it and it can go on your resume. It has become part of your portfolio. You can add it to your portfolio and you can showcase it anywhere, especially on LinkedIn. Right. So at the end of each software or each tool, you are going to be taking a capstone project. For our SQL capstone project, we have something interesting right now, because the present cohort right now, they are currently taking their SQL project, and we are investigating a model using SQL for programming and database management. We are currently investigating the model, and it is really, I can't emphasize it enough that it is really interesting. It has been so interesting so far. We are playing FBI using data analytics. Just to tell you that a data analyst we fit into every aspect or every industry. In the entertainment industry, data analysts are the ones that are responsible for collecting all the data for all these Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, and all those stuff. Data analysts are the ones that collect all those data. That is where you hear that, okay, this particular track was listened to by 10 or 10,000 people or 1 million people this week. That is why it is topping the chart and all. And in the finance sector, in the finance industry, data analysts are non-negotiable. Our job is so important. We fit in everywhere. And that is what you are about to also embark on. And also, if at any time during your learning in the week you have any questions or you have something that you feel like you cannot wait till our next recap class at the weekend, you can always drop a message on the group, and I'm going to attend to your message as soon as possible. I'm always going to attend to your message as soon as possible. Yeah, so I think that is it for the brief introduction about the course. And the next thing is this platform. I hope everyone, you guys can see my screen. Can you guys see my screen? Hello?
Yes, we can. I can.
Okay. So the first step to this is for you to go to terraskills.com. This particular URL here, this particular website. I'm going to drop this particular link. I'm going to drop the link on the group now. You go to this particular link here. Please, I want you guys to listen to the process. Go to this platform, learn.terraskills.com/register. Learn.terraskills.com/register, and come and click on registration. I'm sure you guys you submitted your email during the point of registration, yeah? So your email has been registered to our platform. So just come to this page here and enter your full name, enter your email, enter your phone number, and enter your desired password, and also confirm the password. This link, I have dropped the link on the group again, learn.terraskills.com/register. It's going to bring you to this link. So create an account. You need to create an account on the platform. Create an account, and a verification email is going to be sent to your email. So please check your inbox or your spam for the email. Just verify your account. Once you verify your account, it's going to take you to your dashboard. Once you've created your account here, and then you verified your account from the email that will be sent to you, please, it's going to take you to your dashboard. It's going to take you to your dashboard, and by the time you create your dashboard, all you need to do is just to take a screenshot of your dashboard and drop it on the group so that for you to be enrolled on the profile. Let me show us the dashboard, how the dashboard is going to look like. Yes. So once you create your account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. It will carry your name. It will carry your name, and all you have to do is just to take a screenshot of your dashboard and drop it on the group. Then you are going to be enrolled for the data analytics course. So once you are enrolled, you will come back to your dashboard, and you will see this particular, under this course in progress, you will see 1 here instead of 3. You will see 1. That means you have been enrolled for the data analytics course. Then you can just come to my courses. Come to my courses here, and then you will see the course, and then you can begin. If I click on my courses, you are going to see your course, which is data analytics. So just click on the data analytics and begin. Very simple, easy peasy, straightforward. I hope you guys understand now. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. And yes, the course is dripped. The course is dripped in the sense that if you are not done with one topic, it is not going to allow you to move to the next topic. So you have to finish. You can't jump any step. We want everybody to be consistent, and we want everybody to be accountable. So for that reason, you can't jump any step. You have to take it one step at a time. You have to finish one topic before you move to the next one. Move to the next topic before you move to the next one. And also, for the files, we have prepared some workbooks for you. The course is 100% practical, hands-on. You have to practicalize. There is no much talking like that. No. You have to get your hands dirty. You have to practicalize everything you're learning. Practice, constant practice. So it is 100% and completely hands-on. You'll be working with a data set, you'll be working with a workbook. And in that regard, once your dashboard looks like this, just come to this edge here, this top here, you'll see data analytics at this top here. If you click on this data analytics, it's going to bring you to your dashboard again. And under curriculum, scroll down under curriculum, you are going to see your courses, and also you are going to see the exercise files. These exercise files is where you are going to see all the files and the workbooks that you need for the course. The files and the workbook that you need for the course. For instance, you are going to start with course data sets, which is this exercise files. So you download it. Also, you will also download this second one, the third one, Microsoft Excel course materials. You're also going to download it. So as time goes on, when we start giving out assignments, because like I said, it's 100% hands-on. We are going to practice a lot. We are going to practice a lot. We want to make sure that you learn, and then you know what you are able to defend whatever it is you learn. So there are going to be tons and series of assignments, and also there are going to be projects that everybody is going to overtake or take on. So please, that is how the course is structured. It's very simple and very straightforward. And if you have any question whatsoever, anytime, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Drop your message or your request on the group, and it's going to be answered to. Please don't forget, again, click on the link that has been dropped on the group. The link has been pinned on the group. Click on the link, create your account, verify your account, and once you verify your account, take a screenshot of your dashboard and drop it on the group. Take a screenshot of your dashboard and drop it on the group, and then you are going to be enrolled to the course, and then you can begin. So starting from Monday, we are going to start the course officially. We are going to start learning officially. So please, after this particular onboarding session, please click on the link and create your account. And voila, the rest is easy. The rest is perfectly easy. So that is that for our onboarding process. It's just a simple process. So please, if you have any question for me, now is the best time to ask before we end the session. If you have any question whatsoever, this is the best time for you to ask. If there's anything you're not clear with, you can seize the opportunity now. And if you feel like you cannot ask now, you can always drop me a message on the group. I'll always drop the message on the group, and then I'm going to attend to you as soon as I can. So please don't forget again, create your account, take a screenshot of your dashboard and drop it on the group so that you can be enrolled for the course. And please use your name, the name you want to reflect on your certificate at the end of the course. Please, that is what you should register with so that we can get it across to you accordingly at the end of the course. I hope everyone understands.
Sorry, excuse me, does it have to be our full government name? Because I didn't use that. I just used one name.
No.
It's not the
Have you
full
created
name.
an account at all?
Yeah, I just did.
Because there's no problem. The name you registered with is what is going to reflect on your certificate. So that one is easy.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. So you can you can take a screenshot of the dashboard and drop it on the group now. So if there is no more question and if anyone does not have any other thing, so I'm going to bid us goodbye and also enjoy the rest of your weekend. Any other information is going to be shared with us on the group. So thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.